So this particular social media poster that we are going to design has been trending and going viral for some time now, and today I'm going to walk you through the entire breakdown on how this social media flyer or social media poster is actually designed, right? So first, let's quickly set up our canvas size, and we are using the 4.5 by 5 as usual. Then I'm going to rename this as poster design. All right, yes, quickly. Then I'm going to leave everything as it is and then click on the create button, right? Now the first thing we need to do is to come to this guy, click on it, and then we go to solid color, and then this is the color code that we are going to use, 050011. all right, and then click on OK. All right, now head over to your shape tools and then select the rectangle tool. Then I'm going to draw a straight rectangle line like this, all right, and I'm going to position it very well. Then I'm going to change the color to cyan, something like this. This is okay for me, right? Click on OK. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and then I'm going to position it here like that. If you want, you can go ahead and then use the set up your guide to help you with it, right? Now I'm going to press on Ctrl+J again to make another duplicate. Then I'm going to move it right in the middle like this, and then on my keyboard I'm going to press on Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on it and then click on rotate 90 degrees clockwise like that, and I'm going to put it right on top here like this, right? Okay, click on this guy, then press on Ctrl+J to make another duplicate, and then move it down like that. All right, so you can go ahead and then adjust it to make sure that everything is well aligned, right? Now the next I'm going to do is to merge all these together. So select everything, right click on it, and then click on merge shapes. All right, now I'm going to head over to my blending option and then change it to hard mix. So we have hard, where is it? Hard mix. Yeah, this is hard mix. All right, I'm going to click on it like that. Then right click on it and then convert it to smart objects. Then head over to our filter tab, click on the blur, and then go to Gaussian blur. Then set your blur radius to 4.6 pixels and then click on OK. Now if you want, you can go ahead and then decrease the opacity like that. Okay, so I think this is quite okay for me. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to drag my ruler guide to this place, right? I'm going to put one here like that, and then drag one from the top and then keep it right here this way, right? Great. Then I'm going to head over and then grab my pen tool, and I'm going to stand here like this, make a click, and then come here, make another click like this, then come here and make another click, and I'm going to make another click right here like that, and I'm going to close it here like that, right? And I'm going to change the color to FFBA00, and I'm going to click on OK. Great. Now I'm going to grab my pencil again and then stand here, make another click, then come here, make another click, and then come here, right? Then like that, this way. Then I'm going to change the color, and I'm going to sample the color right here. Click on this guy. Then finally I'm going to grab my rectangle tool and then draw a rectangle shape right in the middle this way, just like that, right? Then I'm going to change the color. So this is the color code that we are going to use. We have 322200. Click on OK. Great. Now I'm going to get rid of my ruler guides like that, then get rid of this one as well. Awesome. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the left one, which is this one, this guy right here, right? And then click on this guy to create a new layer on top of that. And I'm going to right click on it and then click on create clipping mask, right? Then I'm going to grab my brush tool and then change my foreground color. So we are going to sample the color right here like that, but then make it a little lighter. So this looks okay for me, right? And this is the color code. We have 513701. Then click on OK. Now I'm going to increase my brush size. Okay, So we are using a soft round brush, and then I'm going to apply it to this side like that. All right, now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the top shape that we draw, which is this one, right? Create a new layer on top of that, and then create a clip mask as well. When you're going to apply the same thing to these parts, right? Great. Now I'm going to head over to my foreground color and then change the color so a bit lighter, right? And I'm going to apply it to the top, and that's, and then select the left one and also apply it like that, right? All right, so this is quite okay for me. Now this is what you are going to do. I'm going to select everything that we have here, with the exception of the solid background color, which is this guy, right? And then we are going to select everything, and I'm going to adjust it this way, select it like this slightly, right? Okay, so this is quite okay for me. Then I'm going to click on this guy. Awesome. Now we have our effects working very beautiful, right? All right, now select the solid background that we first created, right, which is this guy, and then click on this guy to create a new layer on top of that, right? Because we're going to add some light effects. So grab your brush tool and then change the foreground color. First, let's sample the background color, but then let's move it all the way to the top like this, and then push this guy. Now you have D202FF, click on OK, and I'm going to increase the brush size, so right, and now you're using a soft round brush, of course, and I'm going to apply it here like that, and then apply one here like that. For some, just going to adjust it this way, and then click on this guy. Great. All right, so now let's go back to the grades that we added, which is this one right here, right? Now instead of using the hard mix as the blending option, let's try and use the darken here, right? Because I don't want it to be visible like that. The main goal is to project everything that is going to be in the middle, right? So let's change the blending option for the grade lines that we added with the rectangle tool, from hard mix to darken, right? So this is good for me. Now the next I'm going to do is to go ahead and then add my first text, my text, of course. So I have here first, right? I'm going to increase the size. Then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the ST here, and then come here to my character, and then select this guy right here, right? It is like superscripts and that. Then I'm going to put it right here, and then adjust it this way to match the alignments, right? Then I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make a duplicate, and I'm going to add second here like that. So we have 2, and we have ND, right? Great. Now I'm going to press on Ctrl+J and then do the remaining, then remove. All right, so now next I'm going to do is to add my next text, which is the month that we are in July. By the way, happy new month to all of us, right? So I'm going to put it right here, and then change the font style. I have this font here called the Enlighten Your Destiny, right? And I'm going to increase the size like that. I'm going to keep it right here. Beautiful. Now press on Ctrl+J to duplicate the text, and then change this to Montserrat, right? Now I'm going to change the text to work hard. Great. So I'm going to align it, adjust it very well. So let me use the center alignment. Then I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to sample the color right in the middle like this. but then bring it up. Okay, let's move it this way and see. All right, so this is okay for me. And I'm going to put it right here like that. Great. All right, now I'm going to add my next text. So we have here, I'm going to duplicate this work hard text. So Ctrl+J. Then I'm going to change this to today's date. So we have 01, 07, and then 2026. That's awesome. And I'm going to put it right here and then change the font. So I have this font right here called the Miguel de Nothing. I don't know if that is the correct pronunciation. I'm going to change the color. Let's put the color here and then make it more lighter. So okay, this is right, this is okay for me. I'm going to put it right here and then adjust it this way. Great. All right, now if you take a look at this particular text here, it looks very ugly. We have to adjust it very well to fit the entire alignment of the poster that we are doing, right? So this is what you are going to do. On your keyboard, press and hold the Control key, right, and then put any of these points here and then adjust it like this. All right, so I think this is quite okay, right? You can go ahead and then take your time and then adjust it very, very well, but I believe this is much better, right? Now I'm going to add my last text and then we add our main subject. So I'm going to change the color to white and then change the font. I mean, change the size, change the font to Montserrat. And with this one, of course, you can add your text, any message that you want to add there, right? Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that, put it here, then I'm going to adjust it this way. Beautiful, awesome. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to bring in my subject. So I'll just go to my resource files and then drag and drop this image here like that. I'm going to rasterize it, right, and then go to select and then go to subjects. Then let's wait for the subject to be selected so we can get rid of the background and everything that is there, right? Now I'm going to add layer mask and the background is gone. Just going to adjust it this way and then put it right there like that. Increase the size. Really need to be careful here. Okay, so I think this is okay. All right, now the next I'm going to do is to right click on the subject and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to my filter tab and then come to the camera raw filter. We just want to adjust the color to look more popping, all right, because the color of the dress she's wearing looks a bit not nice, right? So when you come to camera raw filter, come to the color mixer option here and then let's go to hue and then the blues here. We're going to adjust it this way, move it to the left side, right, and then come to the saturation and then come to the blues of the saturation. Now let's move it to the right side and then come to the luminance and then also adjust the blue. So let me see, this is okay for me. Great. Now I'm going to click on OK. All right, and then this looks very beautiful, right? Now there we have our beautiful social media poster. Like I said, this poster has been trending for some time now, and now you know how to create it. So from today I want you to implement this poster idea or flyer idea anytime you are creating a flyer or in your next project. If you find this video helpful, like the video and share it to whoever you think can also benefit from this video, right? And if you have not joined my Telegram channel too, I'm going to leave the link to the channel in the description of this video. If you also need the ultimate graphic design resource pack, of course the link is also in the description of this video, where you can get access to over 5,000 resource packs with just one-time payment. If you have not joined the channel, click on the subscribe button And until I come your way with another stunning Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.